Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your Wix account password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your Wix account password. But before that, let's check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have all of your websites. We have the setup, home. We also have the settings, design site in the bottom left corner, which will get you to your editor, and the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your Wix account password. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. So to change your Wix account password, follow these 4 easy steps. So log into your Wix account, as I already told you in the start of the video. So this is just a basic thing that you have to do. Then go to your account settings, which are in the top right corner, and here you'll have your account settings. After you're there, you just need to go and, as you can see, you'll have some information about your profile. So you have your first name, last name, your site URL prefix, account language, account email, and the password. What you need to do is click on this pencil here, and after you have clicked on the pencil, select your new password, type it in, save it, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.